Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a DIY stress ball. It's really easy to make and it's like not even expensive at all. It costs like $1. First you get your balloons, then you need a sink for water. Okay, once you get your balloon, my balloon's right here, you put it on here, or you could hold it. I think this is easier for me. You do that and take it off. Let all the extra water just flow out. It depends on how big you want your squishy to be. Oh my gosh. If you want it to be big, then you put it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, that never happened to me before. But yeah. Then you get it. You tie the balloon up. If you don't know how to tie it, get a parent to help you. First, I have to dry it off because of all the excess of the water. This is how you tie it. I don't know if you could see it. Just get a parent if you don't know how. Oh. There it is. Your own DIY water squishy. Yeah. Now I have to clean up all this mess. It's very, like, dirty in here. The way you don't only have to fill this up with water. You could fill it up with Orbeez. You could fill it up with flour. Just anything you want, except if it's not messy. So yeah, bye guys. Have a wonderful day. Subscribe, hit that bell, and like the video and comment what I should do next. And join my Google Classroom group.